What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. The market moved quite a bit last week as there was a decent amount of selling pressure that came into basically the entire market, especially chip stocks. Looking at this week, we definitely do have a lot of attention still on chip stocks and the S&P 500 given this recent price action, but there's also a lot of attention and emotion at the crypto side of things as well, following Donald Trump's announcement of the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve, which is sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a handful of other cryptos flying to the upside. So it should definitely be an exciting week. But with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. Starting off with the high risk scalps channel, we could see on Monday there was some decent movement, nothing too crazy. PDD, APLD, Palantir, Baba, and Uber all had like some of the best, strongest movement as these options popped up all by 100%. Of course, and as always, there are a handful of options that pop up in a decent way, and then there are a handful of options that pop up in like a mediocre way or don't pop up at all, as is expected. I would say out of everything, Tuesday was definitely the day of the week, as that is when we saw the most amount of momentum and just good movement in general. We could see on Tuesday, we had Walmart, Tesla, Celsius, and DraftKings all move in a very strong way, with Walmart leading the way as its options popped up by 441%. Of course, there were a handful of opportunities trading other tickers as well, and even counter trend opportunities or just failed plays towards the bottom of this list as well. But as we scroll throughout the week, there's a decent amount of movement, nothing too insane or too crazy, but definitely a good amount of just momentum in general, which is good to see and will only build as market volatility continues to increase. This week will definitely be important, not only because of the tariff news set to happen on Tuesday, but also we have a Powell speech on Friday, as well as just increasing intensity in general, not only with the S&P 500, but again on the crypto side of things as well. Shifting over into the theta plays, this week was definitely as good as it could possibly be, considering 4 out of the 4 theta trades expired for max profit, which is great to see. As we've been saying for many years at this point, if you don't already short put options, definitely consider at least looking into it. When done correctly, it's one of the best strategies out there, not only because you get paid to buy stocks that you'd be otherwise happy to own at prices you'd be happy to own them at, but you also have an embedded edge that is working in your favor when selling put options, in the sense that the puts that you are selling are theoretically a little bit more expensive than they should be, which definitely works to the seller's benefit. So if you need help with this, feel free to reach out to Tom Hunter or myself, and we could definitely make sure you're taken care of. But besides that, we're definitely set for another exciting week, as there is a lot going on in the market right now, and it doesn't look like this craziness is going to slow down anytime soon. So thank you all so much for watching, and let's crush it in the market this week.